Hey, Edgar's Funneltopia here. An exciting update related to chat widgets. If you go to under Sites, Chat Widgets, and we create a new one, let's just do the classic one. We now have a lot more customization options for it. We not only can create different widgets like in the other video it was mentioned, but also, yeah, there's like a lot of customization options. So we can just quickly breeze through them. I'm just going to put my face here. Obviously, we can do the chat prompt, right? That's if you want to do the above this one like a text bubble. And obviously, you see, I'm just going to click through stuff with or without the avatar. You can change the icon, which, oh, I shouldn't have clicked this one. Let's go back. This is a custom image edition. Let's go back. We can change the icons, right, within the blue. Um, chat bubble or circle, whatever you want to call it. You can add your own custom ones. Obviously, you can change the color, make it your own custom color. All this stuff, even the font, everything can be changed, according to your brand. Obviously, the welcome message, I don't know, right? It's like basically whatever your brand kind of is, then you can just put it in here, whichever way you want your chat to communicate with people. This one comes within the message itself, right? Widget customization, obviously the avatar, you can put in your own. Maybe you have your own avatar that has a name, right? You can change that. This is the classic location for the bubble, but obviously you can put it in different places, which is kind of cool too. Gives you that flexibility. You want to be different, right? Because everyone does it this way. So maybe people get so used to it that they're just like anticipated. They're just like, yeah, I don't want to. But if you put it in a different place, it gets their attention. So yeah, all these options, the widget dimensions, you can put a custom one, like a specific, or just do auto. I would do auto. It just kind of, it's more, it's more stable, less of a chance for it to be weird and wonky. But yeah, that's kind of just go check it out. If you're doing chat widgets, definitely. Even if you're not, go check it out under under sites chat widget. Over here, you can create multiple. As you saw, I might have mentioned this in the previous video already, but there's like 3 types, right? So go check it out. If you have any questions about chat widgets or anything else Funneltopia related, as per usual, nothing has changed. 24/7 chat support over here. Let us know. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.